Hey there YouTubers, welcome back. In this video we'll be looking at one of the machines that my friend, unfortunately due to health, has decided needs a new custodian. So we'll have a look at the machine now, and if you're interested, give us a shout. So here we have a Murad, and it's the Antarctica model. These lathes are very similar size to a Myford, Myford ML7. But they're quite a more substantial machine. For a start, they've got a 3-marsh taper headstock spindle, so the bore is equivalent to that, and also 3-marsh taper in the tailstock. So they're quite a lot bigger than the Myford. Also, they're a double V bed, similar to like the box from the Colchesters. A little bit wider too than a Myford, so getting a bit more stability. So excuse me. So here it is. It's one of these, it's not used a lot. I think he got it as like a second lathe doing different operations on when his other lathe was tied up, which you all tend to do. And like I said, it's made by Murad. It's the first model of this actually went to the Antarctic, hence it's getting its name, the Antarctica. Now it's a bit stronger on the bed than most as well. They've added 30%, I believe, steel to the casting to make it a lot stronger. It's got 3-jaw chuck with it, face plate, which if it's a bit of a rarity. If you needed to get one of these for this machine, you probably wouldn't. It's got a homemade steady, which does work. I say I made that a few years ago. It's got a set of change gears for doing the screw cutting, so it is a screw cutting lathe. It's back geared head on it as well, so it's got 6 speeds in total, and also it's had recent new electrics, so it's got a forward and reverse switch. Perfect for when you're doing your thread cutting, etc. And a safety. I think it's a no volt switch, but it's also got your e-stop on there as well. 1/4 horse motor, and the stand that it comes on is actually got individual 4 adjusting feet, so you can level it up. So yeah, it's quite a nice bit of kit. Very quiet running. I'll just play this little video now. So you can see very quiet. That's in through all the speeds. And like I say, there's not really much else there. It's got a bit of, there is a tool comes with it on the tool post there. Again, if we find any more bits that are specific to this lathe, they will be included in the sale. So if you're interested, like I say, I'll put my details below. Give us an email. We can try and sort out finding your own for this. But like I say, how these lathes never got more popular, I don't know. I think the only thing I can think at the time, they might have been a bit more expensive than say a Myford, but they are like a step up. It's hard to say. If you say the Myfords are Bentley, these are the Rolls Royce. You know what I mean? They just seem to be the quality. I think they've put too much into them and just sort of outpriced themselves. I think a lot of these went more into industry rather than just small shops, workshops rather than home hobby shops. So but yeah, it's really good bit of kit. Like I say, nice to see one, and it all seems to be there. Yes, there's a little bit of backlash in the dials, but every lathe sort of has, and like I say, you account for that when you're turning anyway. But like I say, everything seems alright. It's just a few little nicks and marks, even though it's a second-hand machine and the day. But it is still very accurate. All the bearings seem to be right in the headstock. Yeah, and I've done a bit of turning on a piece of metal. Can't complain one bit, but it's a nice machine, to be honest with you. So yeah, like I say, if you're interested, give us a shout, and like I say, we can find a new custodian for this. Be fantastic. So there we go, one of the machines that my friend's unfortunately looking for a new owner for. So if you're interested in buying this machine, being its new custodian, I'll put my details below. If you're seriously interested, give us an email. We can hopefully find this a new home. So there we go, YouTubers. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope we can help my mate out, and until next time, it'll be right.